Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, I've got a gist for you about the All Progressive Congress APC in the Southwest here. So they had a meeting, the Southwest Caucus. They had a meeting at Lagos House Marina, and they ended with 1-point resolution, and which is that they make sure that the region Southwest here, that they are united on purpose. Yes, that they make sure that they are united. Nothing must separate them. So they must be together, united as one. That the next president of Nigeria must come from the Southwest here. Yes, it's time for us to root to. So that is their meeting. That is the purpose of their meeting, and that is what they all agreed on, that they must united, and the next president of Nigeria must come from the Southwest. So let's wait and see how the others APC caucus from other region will see to it. So that's the news about, that's the update about the meeting they had, the APC, the All Progressive Congress.